Hi. So it is 10th of rebuilding and I'm here. It's just a Monday morning. So I woke up this morning and I trained.
No one told me to. No one was watching. No one was clapping. Just me and this promise I made to myself. Some mornings are easy. Some mornings are like this one. I had to drag myself. But I got up because that is what rebuilding looks like. Not the big dramatic moments. Just this every morning. Choosing me. Every rep I did this morning was me saying, I am worth the work. I am worth the effort. I am worth the life I'm building. I am 30, starting over, and showing up anyway because I made a promise to me, and this time I'm keeping it. This is not just me training. This is my rebuilding. One morning at a time, one rep at a time, one day at a time.
I already drank my Detox. In fact, Monday did not catch me sleeping. This is my Detox. Let's have a drink. But then I look outside and I saw the rain. Something told me to just go outside. So I did. You know, Mondays feels heavy, slow, like the whole world just wants you to stay in bed and do nothing. I felt that too, trust me. But here's what I've learned in these 10 days. Rebuilding does not wait for the perfect conditions. It does not wait for the sun to come out. It does not wait for you to feel ready. It just goes. And today I went into the rain. Something about training in the rain and that just hits different. Nobody planned this. I did not wake up today and say that I want to train in the rain on a Monday morning. But here I am, wet, moving, alive. I'm alive. This is what rereading looks like, not perfect. Look pretty, just real. So they 10 done. I trained inside, drank my Detox, and went outside and trained in the rain. Because this is what my journey is about. No waiting for the perfect moment. No waiting for the sun. No waiting for motivation to find you. Go find yourself. If you're watching this and you've been waiting for the perfect condition to start your journey, I need you to hear this. The perfect conditions are not coming. The rain is your condition, Monday is your condition, time is your condition. Show up anyway. Show up anyway. Hi, my name is Bibi. And I'm rebuilding my life one day at a time. see it more.